All right, moving on to the complement of an event. This is all the outcomes in the sample space that are not outcomes in the event E. So we can write the complement of an event as E to the C. You can see that right here. So this is everything outside of the event. And to find the complement, so the probability of E to the C is 1 minus the probability of E. Let's look at an example. According to the American Veterinary Medical Association, 31.6% of American households own a dog. What is the probability that a randomly selected household does not own a dog? So what we're looking for is the probability of no dog. This is the same as taking 1 minus the probability of having a dog, which we have. So 1 minus 0.316. Probability of not having a dog is 0.684. Let's look at one more example. The data represents the travel time to work for residents of Hartford County, Connecticut. What is the probability that a randomly selected resident has a travel time of 90 or more minutes? So we're looking for 90 or more. You can see that right here. So we have 4,895. The total of this is 393,186. So that is equivalent to 0.012. So what is the probability that a randomly selected resident of Hartford County, Connecticut will have a travel time less than 90 minutes? So what we're looking for is the probability of these. So you have two options you can do. You can use the complement rule. So let's do that first. So the probability less than 90 is the same as 1 minus the probability of 90 or more. So that's 1 minus 0.012, which is equal to 0.988. Another option is you could have added each of these up and then divided by the 393,186. You would have got this answer. It just would have taken you a little longer. That is the end of 5.2. Please let me know if you have any questions.